Hello friends. Today I will tell you what you need to do with strawberries in the spring. You need to have time to do it before your strawberries begin to form ovaries, so that she has time to lay a large harvest at the beginning of the season, and of course at the end of the season you will get a delicious, abundant, environmentally friendly strawberry harvest. And if you still have questions, then be sure to ask them in the comments under this video. I will be happy to read and answer everything. In total, to get a plentiful harvest, you need to take 3 main steps, which will be discussed now. First of all, as soon as spring comes and buds begin to form on the bushes now, you need to do the following operation. Namely, to remove old last year's leaves and those leaves that are damaged by diseases, spots are clearly visible on them. We remove them, throw them in a bucket and take them out to the compost pit. Do not leave them in the garden. The second step, we need to make a top dressing. It should be based on nitrogen. You can also make a complex fertilizer. Now I'll tell you about all of them. It can be fed from nitrogen fertilizers. This is liquid chicken manure or liquid cow manure. Recently on the channel showed how to cook it. I fed them garlic. Attention, it is better to apply any liquid fertilizers either early in the morning or in the evening before sunset, so the top dressing will penetrate deeper to the roots and will be completely absorbed by the plant. I will feed the following fertilizer. This is a complex fertilizer based on humic acids. In a simple way, potassium humate, in the composition of which, in addition to nitrogen, there are still macro and microelements that are necessary for the good development of strawberries. I dilute it as follows: 30 milliliters per 10 liters of water. It is easier to do this with a large syringe. Mix thoroughly, and I carry out fertilizing as a regular watering of strawberries under a bush. And the last thing that of course should be done is mulching. And this can be done as follows. The first is straw because there are no seeds and no weeds in it. Second, you can use hay. But there may already be various seeds in the hay that will then be able to germinate in your garden. You can mulch at least before applying top dressing, also after. And most importantly, when the bushes begin to develop, they release their brushes with strawberries. Then the berries will lie on dry straw, will not rot, and they will be clean. You can just come and eat right from the garden. Use these 3 tips to get a huge and environmentally friendly strawberry harvest. And if the information was useful to you, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share the video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel to avoid missing new videos. I wish you a good day. See you soon for new videos.